Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Anticipatory bail to Digambar Kamath. Case diary does not presses for Digambar's arrest. Court observes it as conspicuous. Churchill files fresh bail plea. God is with us and we are not afraid, says Digambar and his wife Asha Kamath. CM says prudent brings to you reactions of Margaonkars on the bail drama. HRD Ministry may drop no detention policy after receiving say from states. Compulsory promotion of students till 8th standard is making them casual. ACB arrests 2 field managers of Tuya Industrial Estate for accepting bribe in exchange of clearing plots. One of the accused turns out to be CM's relative. And tough Lakshmi Prasad clinch Goa Police Cup with big victory over Salgaonkar Football Club. And now the news in detail. Former Chief Minister Digambar Kamath got bail relief. Panji Special Court has granted anticipatory bail to Kamath in Zyka bribery case. Court has observed that it was mandatory for the investigating officer to record specific reasons of his intention to arrest the applicant in this case, which are conspicuously absent in the case diary. Crime Branch has decided to challenge this order before the High Court. Following the developments, Churchill Alemao has moved fresh bail application before the Special Court.
I am a strong believer in God. I always say, in fact some papers brought also. And God always supports truth. This is my belief.
The Panji Special Court under Prevention of Corruption Act in its order granting anticipatory bail to former CM Digambar Kamath in Zyka bribery case has observed that it was contended that there is a prima facie case and there is possibility that the applicant may tamper with the witnesses. Apart from such statement, no material is placed on record. Digambar Kamath has appeared before investigating officer on 2 occasions. Digambar Kamath was interrogated by investigating officer and thereafter he was allowed to go. It is necessary for investigating officer to record reasons as to why arrest of applicant is required. There are no such reasons recorded in case diary after the interrogation of Digambar on 2 occasions. The court has also observed that the contention of investigating officer that the applicant has not disclosed about the noting file, which is material piece of evidence, and he may destroy the same in case not arrested. It is to be noted here that the applicant is not in power since March 2012, and since then the documents are either with the then project director or the PWD, and it cannot be said that the applicant has been deliberately concealing such records since that time. No witness has stated so far that such noting file is missing since the time applicant stepped down as CM of Goa. Even if he has any file, it can be recovered from him without taking him into custody. The court has also observed that the person having political background is having considerable amount of respect in the society, and such respect cannot be termed as influence which could be utilized for pressurizing witnesses unless some material facts are brought on record to substantiate about it.
Our application for anticipatory bail has been granted, subject to giving a bond of 1 lakh rupees and like surety amounts. Certain conditions have been laid, which we will comply with.
Special Public Prosecutor feels the order is beyond his expectations.
The court has granted the anticipatory bail plea of Mr. Digambar Kamath. I can only say one thing, I am very confused today.
Why, sir?
It has gone against my expectations. That is why it is a little confusing.
After court's order granting Digambar an anticipatory bail, jailed accused Churchill Alemao has filed fresh bail application before the special court, which will be heard on Thursday. Churchill is claiming relief on the ground of parity. Another jailed accused, Anand Vacha Sundar, is also in the process to file fresh bail application before the special court. Meanwhile, the court has granted regular bail to Hawala operator Raichand Soni. Crime Branch will likely file an appeal before the High Court by Thursday challenging anticipatory bail to Digambar Kamath.
The Panji Special Court has granted anticipatory bail to former Chief Minister Digambar Kamath in JICA bribery case. The court has granted this anticipatory bail, putting certain conditions, like Digambar Kamath has to furnish a bail bond of 1 lakh rupees and he has to be available before the investigating officer whenever he calls him. With video journalist Omkar Flari, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Sessions Court has granted anticipatory bail to Digambar Kamath in the Louis Berger bribery case. It is up to the crime branch to challenge Sessions Court bail to Digambar in the High Court. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar maintained the stand. Prudent contacted Digambar Kamath's wife Asha Kamath. She said God is with them and there is no need to fear. Who and what rescued Digambar on the auspicious day of Nag Panchami? Prudent gets vivid reactions from Madgaunkars.
दिगंबर कामतीक बेल मेळ्ळ्या वॉज क्रायम ब्रांच इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन वॉज सो वीक दॅट तुमी ताका रिजेक्ट जावपाची प्रेझेंट करपाक
इट इज क्रायम ब्रांचीस
इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन इतलें वीक आसलें
नो आय डोंट थिंक
जाल्यार
दे
तुमी
हॅव टू थिंक
पण जाल्यार तुमी कॅन्सलेशन ऑफ बेलाक फुडें वयतले
तुमी
तुमी डायरेक्ट करतले
इट विल बी द डिसिजन ऑफ क्रायम ब्रांच आमी पुलिसाक दिवपाचें हांवें काम केल्लें आसा एट एनी पॉयंट ऑफ टायम Did you see me interfering in the matter? ना न्ही त्यामुळे क्रायम ब्रांचाक जर दिसता आसात तांचेर खंयच्या गोष्टीचो महत्व किंवा गांभीर्य कोर्टान घेतलें आसात आणि इट इज अ जेन्युइन केस टू टेक इट फॉर द हायर कोर्ट जाल्यार क्रायम ब्रांच इज फ्री टू डू दॅट दे नीड टू रिकमेंड
ओके तुमचे कडेन येयल्यार तुमी गो हेड दिता
हय हांव फोर्सान सांगचो ना तांचें जर मत आसा फुडें व्हरची ती बरी केस आसा म्हणून जाल्यार म्हजे कडेन आयलो प्रपोजल जाल्यार हांव व्हर म्हणटलो
ओके
तो अशें कर न्ही ताका बशिल्ले कडेन सगळो मिनिस्टर जालो सगळे सीएम ताका बशिल्ले कडेन मेळ्ळे सगळे देव म्हजे म्हऱ्यान आसा आनी आमचे दोगांय बरोबर देव आसा कोण कांय करपाक शकपाचो ना आमकां कितलेंय आयल्यार
दिगंबर कामतीक बेल मेळप मे बी एज पर द नॉर्म्स एज पर द रुल्स अशें एकाच कारणाक लागून एकट्याक एक डिसिजन आनी दुसऱ्याक दुसरें डिसिजन अशें कित्याक जालां कितलेशेच लोक हांगा म्हणटात जात वयर काडून क्रिश्चनाक भितर घाला आनी ह्या बामणाक सोडलो बट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी द कल्प्रिट शूड बी पनिश्ड
जस्टिस मेळुना जाल्यार देर आर वेरियस रिड्रेसल avenues that are open. I think crime branch should go to High Court, appeal to High Court against this decision on the anticipatory bail. चोर कितलोय धांव साबाक शिक्षा जावपाक 6 वर्सां लागली याकूब मेमनाक शिक्षा जावपाक 22 वर्सां लागली वेळ जरी लागलो चोर कायद्याच्या खचाट्यांतल्यान सुटूंक शकना.
Legal experts have endorsed court's decision of granting anticipatory bail to Digambar Kamath. One cannot arrest anybody without evidence.
Grant of bail order which I've read, it's an absolutely judicious order. He absolutely deserved to be on bail and the court has risen to the occasion and granted this bail irrespective of the pressures that were around or that the pressures that were on the court. So I think it's an absolutely great order.
From day one I have said that there is no need of custodial interrogation and the court has given him bail because there is violation of 41A of the Criminal Procedure Code. Whatever reasons the court has given, it is immaterial. He deserved to be free because at this stage it appears there is no substantial evidence to implicate him in the crime.
Prudent tried to contact BJP Mandal Chief Chandan Naik, but he refused to speak, while Rupesh Mahatme was out of town and hence contact could not be established. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Union Ministry can revoke decision to pass students till 8th standard. Majority of the students has opined that students are not taking studies seriously, thus affecting education. Most of the states have opposed to no detention policy in a meeting of Central Advisory Board of Education in Delhi. 19 states including Goa has demanded to scrap no detention policy. Human Resource Development Minister Smriti Irani has asked the states to submit their say in writing. Ministry has given 15 days time to all the states. HRD Ministry will decide on weight of school bags to students.
जितने शिक्षा मंत्री उपस्थित थे उन सब ने लिटरली खड़े होकर यूनानिमसली भारत सरकार से अपील की कि आप इस नो डिटेंशन पॉलिसी को रिवोक कीजिए. किंतु भारत सरकार का ये मानना है कि ये रिपोर्ट आज टेबल हुई है, इस पर सभी प्रदेश की सरकारें चिंतन करके लिखित रूप में अपना वक्तव्य अथवा अपना दृष्टिकोण भारत सरकार के पास भेजे। जो भारत सरकार ने ये निवेदन केब के प्लेटफॉर्म पर किया तो सभी मंत्रियों ने इसको स्वीकार किया, किंतु रीएम्फसाइज किया कि वो चाहते हैं कि ये रिवोक हो।
Goa has opposed to the no detention policy. Education Director Gajanan Bhatt informed this after attending Central Advisory Board of Education in Delhi. All Goa Headmasters Association has demanded to revoke no detention policy as some students are not studying seriously.
की नो डिटेंशन इले कारणान की भुरगे ते सगळ्यो गजाली सिरियसली घेता अशें ना. म्हणजे आतां शहरान मी घेवपाक लागल्या कित्याक शहरांतले पेरंट्स चड कॉन्शियस आसता, पेरंट्सांक आपल्या भुरग्यां बद्दल आसता, पूण ज्या कडेन थोडेशे भुरगे फर्स्ट जनरेशन लर्नर बी आसा तेंकां कांयच हें करना किंवा आवय बापूय कमी शिकलेले आसात किंवा आवय बापायक जर घरा कडेन तितलो वेळ दिवपाक मेळना जाल्यार त्या भुरग्यांचेर तेजो चड वायट परिणाम जाल्लो आसा. आमी जेन्ना गोंयभरांच्या हेडमास्टरांकडेन उलयतना लक्षांत येता की बरेच विदेश स्कुलांनी भुरगे आतां अभ्यास हो सिरियस घेयना, म्हणजे जे पद्दतीन घेताले ते, आनी जेणे करून मागीर अशें जालें की 9th आमचे कडेन चड भुरगे डिटेन जाता, म्हणजे 8वी पर्यंत सगळे फुडें व्हरता आनी 9th बरेच स्कुलांनी 9th चड डिटेन जावपाक लागले. सो हो सगळो इफेक्ट म्हणजे कसो जालो ते 3-4 वर्सां जालीं आतां की भुरग्यांक कडेन एक मेसेज गेली की ना आमी चड अभ्यास करना सुद्दां पास जातले. म्हणजे पयलीं अशी एक पद्दत आशिल्ली घरा कडेन आवय बापूय सांगताले भुरग्यां कडेन अभ्यास कर नाल्यार फेल जातलो म्हणून, पूण आतां तें सांगूंक मेळना कित्याक सगळ्यांक खबर आसा की 8वी पर्यंत तो कांयच करना सुद्दां पास जातलो.
HRD Ministry will also think to reduce the weight of the school bags. Health Ministry will first recommend the weight of the school bags.
कि एक टेम्पलेट हम हर राज्य को भेजेंगे, राज्य की सरकारें हमें बताएं कि उनके राज्य में वो टेम्पलेट या गाइडलाइन देने वाले हैं ताकि वहां पे बच्चों को सहूलियत मिले, थोड़ी बहुत राहत मिले. लेकिन ये चर्चा सभी राज्यों के साथ हुई है. जी.
With Bureau Inputs, Mahesh Kari and Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.